Welcome everyone to Amaya channel. Today we are going to study linear equation in two variables. आज हम linear equation in two variables के graphical methods related कुछ questions solve करने वाले हैं, जिसमें graphical method के अंदर में मैंने आपको unique solution, infinite many solution and consistent and inconsistent solutions के बारे में बताया था. Related to that we are going to study today. So let's start the class. You know my name is Khushbu. So let's start the class without wasting time. Time बहुत कम है, study बहुत ज़्यादा करना है, तो let's start the class. Fine. The first question for today is, graphically, the pair of equation 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 represents two lines which are, now you have to tell that what about these two lines? Are these two lines intersecting exactly at one point, 2 points, coincident or parallel? So behavior of the line we have to study here. So already I told you the line behaves in three ways, either intersecting or parallel or coincident. Fine. So now we will be solving the question. So enough of talk. Let's start the class. So 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Compare it with general equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So if you will equate it or compare it, a1 will be equal to 6, b1 will be equal to minus 3 and c1 will be equal to 10. Fine. Next, another equation 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Again, compare it with general equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So a2 will be equal to 2, b2 will be equal to minus 1 and c2 will be equal to 9. So exactly we got a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Small flashback. चलो फ्लैशबैक में चलते हैं. लास्ट क्लास में पढ़ा था हम लोगों ने यूनिक सॉल्यूशन के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा. यूनिक सॉल्यूशन के लिए a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, means exactly one solution. Fine. Now inconsistent means when the lines will be parallel, and no solution, means the line will not at all be intersecting each other. Then last one was a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, infinite many solution. Find infinite many solutions. So let's see the behavior of the line. a1 by a2 is equal to what is here is 6 by 2 is 3, then b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by minus 1. So again 3, c1 by c2 is coming 10 by 9. So definitely a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 was not equal to c1 by c2. Which one? This one. And this is what? Inconsistent, means the lines are parallel. So your answer is D. Okay. See, if one more question will be there, don't waste this much time. I just explained it. You just solve it in very simple way. शॉर्टकट में लिखना, टाइम मत वेस्ट करना. 1 मार्क के लिए इतना टाइम बहुत ज्यादा है. ठीक है. नाउ फॉर बिगिनर्स आई एम टेलिंग 1 year if you might have not studied ना, ये काफी है, कर सकते हो तुम. x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Then again compare it with a1 x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. That is a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to 5. Fine. Now next one is minus 3x minus 6y plus 1 equal to 0. So compare it with general equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. हिचकी आ गई. So a2 is equal to minus 3, b2 is equal to minus 6 and c2 is equal to 1. थोड़ा साफ सुथरा बनाते हैं. तो चलो, अरे कहाँ गया भाई. हाँ, तो a1 by a2 लिखते हैं. फर्स्ट a1 by a2 क्या होगा. a1 by a2 equal to, it is coming 1 by minus 3. चलो minus 1 by 3 आ गया. b1 by b2, again check for b1 and b2. 2 by minus 6, that is again minus 1 by 3. Let's check for C1 by C2, space छोड़ना चाहिए था. 5 by 1. Again same case here, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Fine. So again हम उसी रास्ते पे वापस चल रहे हैं. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. That means if it is not equal to c1 by c2 means क्या है ये फिर नो सॉल्यूशंस है, बिकॉज इनकंसिस्टेंट का मतलब नो सॉल्यूशंस होता है. फाइन. इनकंसिस्टेंट का मतलब नो सॉल्यूशन. यूनिक सॉल्यूशन मींस a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. exactly two solutions is not at all possible. इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस का केस तो ये है भाई, तो हम उल्टा पुल्टा क्यों लिखेंगे, टाइम क्यों वेस्ट करना. चलो नेक्स्ट पेज पे चलते हैं. ठीक है. द पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशंस x is equal to 1 and y equal to b graphically represents lines which are parallel intersecting at b comma a, coincident intersecting at a comma b. ध्यान से सॉल्व करना है इसको, क्योंकि आपका बैंड बजा सकता है ये क्वेश्चन. चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. First, we will draw the line x is equal to a. X is equal to a. If this one is there, x-axis है ये, and this one x is equal to a. अगर if this point is a, then this line will become x equal to a. Fine. Next one, this one is the line, and then this one will become y equal to b. If this point is P, definitely this intersecting point will become A comma B, because in ordered pair always we are writing first X value and then we are writing Y value. X is equal to A here, Y is equal to B here. So your ordered pair is A comma B. Definitely these two lines are intersecting at one point and that point is A comma B. So intersecting at A comma B. कुछ नहीं है. Confusion के लिए intersecting at B comma A दिया. देखना मत, देख लेना, मतलब टिक मत करना. For what values of P will the lines represented by the pair of linear equation be parallel? So they have given the parallel condition here. Fine. So 3x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Again, a1 is equal to 3, b1 equal to minus 1, c1 equal to minus 5. Chalo. So 6x minus 2y minus p, a2 is equal to 6. Directly लिख रही हूँ मैं. इतने 2-3 क्वेश्चंस में तो देख ही लिया होगा कैसे कंपेयर करना है, तो उसको कंपेयर करना. 1 मार्क्स के लिए उतना टाइम मत वेस्ट करना. सो b2 विल बी इक्वल टू -2 and c2 will be equal to -p. Okay, fine. So they have given parallel equation. So parallel condition is a1 by a2, that is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 here minus 1 by -2, that is 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is 5 by p. So definitely here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Why I have written this one? See, I have written this one because in the question itself it is written that it is parallel. Fine. So if it is parallel, तो अब करना क्या है? किसी एक equation, because a1 by a2 is again you are getting 1 by 2, b1 by b2 you are getting 1 by 2. Take any one of it because both are equal. So this one will become, this is not equal to p. So p will be not equal to 10. Means p can take any real values except 10, because whatever real values of p you will be taking, it will be taking, but it will not take 10 exactly, because it is already written p is not equal to 10. So bas first answer karo or enjoy. Next page. Okay, next question is a pair of linear equation dash if it has no solution. Already you know for no solution cases a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, that is inconsistent. Inconsistent. An inconsistent case comes when both the lines are parallel. Okay, so here directly write inconsistent. So quick, so good. Find the value of c for which the pair of equation will have infinitely many solutions. So first we will write the equation cx minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So if we will compare the coefficients, so it will become a1 equal to c, b1 equal to -1 and c1 equal to -2. Fine. a1 is equal to c, b1 equal to -1 and c1 equal to -2. Next one is 6x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. So a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So if we'll compare, a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to minus 2, and c2 is equal to minus 3. So they have given infinite many solution. What is the case of for infinite many solution? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So here, what is A1 by A2? That is C by 6. B1 by B2 is minus 1 by minus 2, and C1 by C2 is minus 2 by minus 3. Oh my God. Here, this one is different and this one is different. That means C will have two values. Fine. Be very careful for these type of equations, because here you will definitely do mistake. Here two solutions will be there. Be very careful. I'm again telling you. See, one time you take these two conditions. Now C by 6 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2, minus minus cancel. So C is coming equal to 3, because 6 will go there. 6 by 2 is 3 only. Second case, take this one and this one. So C by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. Minus and minus will get cancelled. So C will be equal to 6 by 2 by 3. So 2. So C is equal to 4. So what are the values of C? C is having two values. What are the two values of C? Therefore, C is equal to either 3 or 4. Fine. So we have solved till 6 questions are over, 3 more to go. For all values of C, the pair of equations have a unique solution. You are seeing a pattern of question. Can you see the pattern of the question? सारे पैटर्न में आपको या तो क्वेश्चन में यूनिक दे देगा, या तो इनफाइनाइट और इनकंसिस्टेंट या कुछ भी कंडीशन दे देगा. उसमें से आपको जो अननोन वेरिएबल्स है उसका वैल्यू निकालने के लिए, कांस्टेंट्स का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए आपको देगा. एक वो मेथड है, और दूसरा आपको चेक करने के लिए देगा कि किस टाइप का इक्वेशन है. बस व्हाट इज द सिस्टम ऑफ द इक्वेशन, वो दो आपको चेक करने को देगा. शांति प्रिय ढंग से सॉल्व करें. x minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0, a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to minus 2, c1 equal to minus 8. Okay. 5x minus 10y minus c equal to 0. लो, मैंने क्वेश्चन तो पढ़ा ही नहीं. Okay, it has given unique solution. For all values, real values of C, the pair of equations have a unique solution. Justify whether it is true or false. चलिए देखा जाए true है कि false है. So A2 will be equal to 5, B2 will be equal to minus 10, and C2 will be equal to minus C. So here A1 by A2 equal to 1 by 5. B1 by B2 equal to minus 2 by minus 10, that is again 1 by 5. And C1 by C2 is coming minus 8 by minus C. For unique solution, we know A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. For unique solution. For unique solution, A1 by A2, but here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to 1 by 5. Hence, the statement is false. No space left. Hence, the statement is false. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या किया मैंने, क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ था A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 आ रहा है, जो कि यूनिक सॉल्यूशन से बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है. तो करना क्या है, सीधे लिखो false. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. इज द सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन 2x, यहाँ पे x खा गया, 2x plus 3y minus 9 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0 is consistent. Justify your answer. तो कुछ तो करना नहीं है, सेम बात है. कहानी तो वहीं से शुरू और वहीं पे खत्म होगी. So a1x plus b1y plus c1z is plus c1 equal to 0. कुछ ज्यादा ही एक्साइटेड हो गए. So a1 will be equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 9. Now 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. That is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So compare it. So a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 6, and c2 is equal to minus 18. Fine. So a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 6, and c2 is equal to minus 18. So what we are going to do, they have asked that is the system of equation consistent. कंसिस्टेंट के दो केसेस हैं. पहला केस है यूनिक के लिए, मींस a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, that is the lines will be intersecting at one point. दूसरा है a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, that is when the lines are coincident, one line is overlapping on the other line. Fine. So now what we are going to see is which one is possible. So consistent, only these two cases are there, fit in any one of it. a1 by a2 is coming 2 by 4, that is coming 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. c1 by c2 equal to minus 9 by minus 18, that is equal to 1 by 2. Oh my god, it is coming a1 by a2. लिख लो here. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, the system of linear equation is consistent and the lines are coincident. That is lying one above the other. Fine. Now next question, find C if the system of equation has infinitely many solution. You know infinitely many solution, last question itself is coming infinitely many solution, consistent infinitely many solution. मैंने क्या कुछ लिखा है consistent, स्पेलिंग के लिए क्षमा करें, थोड़ा हैंडराइटिंग में इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है. So cx plus 3y plus 3 minus c is equal to 0. Again equated. एक पैटर्न जनरेट करो, उसमें बस दौड़ते रहो. ओहो. Plus b1y plus c1. Next one. So again a1 will be equal to c, b1 will be equal to 3, c1 will be equal to 3 minus c. Next one, 12x plus cy minus c equal to 0. Compare it with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So a2 is equal to 12, b2 equal to c, and c2 equal to minus c. Fine. So a1 by a2 is c by 12. So since it is already given, it has infinitely many solutions. Since the system has infinitely many solutions, so a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2 will be equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so what is a1? C by 12 will be equal to 3 by c will be equal to 3 minus c by c. कोई एक इक्वेशन उठा के देख लो, हम इसको लेके चलते हैं. It will become c square is equal to 36, so c will be coming plus minus 6. ओके, तो यहाँ तक समझ में आया. इनफाइनेटली मेनी सॉल्यूशन मतलब a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. यूज करो, सॉल्व करो, कहानी खत्म करो. Okay, for what value of p does the pair of linear equation given below has any unique solution? Same pattern question, एक ही तरह का pattern question मैं लेके आई हूँ आपके लिए. a1x, इसके लिए I'm writing a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So a1 will be equal to 4, b1 will be equal to p, and c1 will be equal to 8. Now next, for this equation, comparing it with general equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 2, c2 equal to 2. Now since it is given that the system has unique solution, Therefore, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. That is, what is A1? 4 by 2 equal to P by 2 is not equal to. So here it is coming to. Therefore, P is not equal to 4. Hence, P will have any real value other than 4, because here P is not equal to 4. Since P is not equal to 4, it will have any real value other than 4. सो एक पैटर्न का क्वेश्चन आज फिनिश कर दिया हम लोगों ने, और 10 क्वेश्चंस फिनिश किया है। पता नहीं कितने टाइम में क्या है वो चेक करना पड़ेगा। वीडियो देखना, लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना, शेयर करना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। ओके, एग्जाम है, पढ़ाई करना। बाय फॉर नाउ।